What we have today is the Peerless 211 steam boiler, 1,050,000 BTUs. Unfortunately, this boiler is cracked due to improper piping and lack of maintenance. This is our 211 Peerless steam boiler being delivered 6 sections. This is the 211-6 steam boiler built block. As you can see, she is put together from the individual sections that were delivered. This is the 211 A-06 Peerless steam boiler, completely installed with your primary and secondary low water cutoff. Your primary is your 47-2, which is a low water cutoff and feeder combo with a safeguard secondary low water cutoff. On this side of the boiler, you're witnessing CJ, one of our lead installers, making sure that the combustion of the chimney is fully sealed. That way there is no hazard involved. Also on the side, you're looking at a 2-inch bleed port for skimming and to add the most important boiler collide to the system. The collide allows you to bring the water back, and that water does not rust inside the boiler. I myself did the control wiring on this boiler. The control wiring is done through a 24-volt circuit with an aquastat pipe connection acting as a low water cutoff. Nice water line going in. There's your aquastat control right there on the white pipe. On the top, you'll notice 4 new vents. It's powered by an R&D system located right here. That is your full functioning control. On the bottom of the boiler, you'll notice 1 clean out port. On the back of the boiler, you'll notice 2 clean out ports. That way you can get all the rust off that boiler. CJ over here is doing an excellent job. Once again, this is the Peerless 211-06 1,050,000 BTU steam boiler, completely installed and wired.